Meaning of flexibility.
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 Flexibility. Flexibility refers to the ability to adapt and adjust easily to changing circumstances or situations. It is the quality of being flexible, agile, and adaptable, both physically and mentally. In practical terms, flexibility can mean being open-minded, versatile, and responsive to new ideas and approaches. It can also refer to physical flexibility, such as having a range of motion in joints and muscles. Overall, flexibility is an important characteristic that enables individuals and organizations to thrive in dynamic and unpredictable environments.